In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever wanted to scan the contents of a message without opening a separate window, this is exactly what you need. Outlook includes a feature called the reading pane that lets you see the body of an email right next to your message list, so you can move quickly, stay organized, and reduce screen clutter. Here's how to turn it on. Start by going to the View tab at the top of Outlook. This tab controls how your mailbox looks and feels, and it's where you manage layout choices. Once you're on the View tab, look for the option labeled Reading Pane and select it. When you click Reading Pane, you'll be given a choice of where that preview should appear, right or bottom. Pick right if you prefer your messages list on the left and the preview on the right. This layout works well on widescreen monitors because it gives your message content more horizontal space, which is ideal for emails with images, tables, or longer lines of text. Choose bottom if you like a stacked view with the message list on top and the preview below. That can be more comfortable on smaller displays, or if you prefer reading in a taller, more document-like space. As soon as you make your choice, your mailbox will update. From now on, when you click